Living room molding on the side needs to match in the front. That's just, see, it's missing in the front. See just so it matches on both ends. That plug, it's crooked, or there's a hole in the top of it. Okay. Dishwasher's got scratches all over the front of it that weren't there to begin with. Right here and down the side in the front. Right here. Scuffs. Right here. Okay, the backsplash is missing rock. That over in that corner there's a rock, and then along the bottom it's real bad, the caulking, and it goes all the way along the side just the same. And then up the side of this trim, this trim right here, looks like it's bad paint job or bad something. The drawers fall out when they fall all the way onto the floor. They were on the floor when it was delivered. Up here, this was all cracked, and the spackling is not on it. It's just smooth right there. And then there's a crack still right here. I don't know if you can see that crack right there. It goes all the way up onto the other molding there. And then it does it again over this window. Right here, there's another crack. You can sort of see where it wasn't fixed real good. I don't know if you can see it through the picture, but you can see it in real life. This fixture right here, the switch, it's crooked. You can see how there's paint. There's a shadow right.
Okay.
Right here, the switch plate, there's a shadow right here where it's crooked. It should have been straightened. You can see where it's off. I think everything's okay back there.
But
Everything was repaired back here. They put a new cabinet in. All the cabinet was messed up. You had to put a new cabinet. No, this cabinet was messed up.
needs paint. It's got stains or something on it.
Yeah, this new cabinet, it looks like it's been used. I don't know where we got it from. Bathroom was all redone. It had to all be resealed, so we'll see if that holds.
There's some holes in the ceiling here. He didn't fill it all the way.
Okay. In the shower, there's holes.
Something missing here.
Yeah.
Broken screw covering.
This is on the mirror in the master bathroom. The cover's missing. door needs to be replaced. It buckled. They're going to have to pull the molding around from the sides to put the floor in. The furnace throws a breaker when the furnace is on and it's crooked.
Looks like it's upside down.
Yeah, it's upside down and it's humming and making a noise when it's on, but it's definitely upside down. And the hopefully the molding around the floor will be fixed where there's gaps all in the, over here, it's real bad on this side. There's gaps all in the molding around, what is that called? Baseboard. Baseboards. The light fixture above the tub is missing. The shower plate is not on. Right here on the shower head. It's not connected. Spackling all over the shower head.
Gaps in the molding, in the caulking.
What is that on here? Is that a cut or something?
Yeah, that's broken.
That's at the top of the shower in the guest bath. And outside, I need to show you some things. Right outside the door. Right outside the door, they put a light, and the paint doesn't match around the. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it mismatched.
It's mismatched paint.